guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, basically it's I did a maintenance routine, and basically all the products I use, well, most of them I use are from Sephora, and basically I buy everything from Sephora. This video is not sponsored. I use my own money. So basically Sephora is having a saving event. So basically if you're a Rouge member, you get 20% off, and if you're a VIB, you get 15% off, and if you're an insider, you get 10% off. So girl, you better run to Sephora and get what you need to get, and you got until Monday. So girl, you better go get it. So yeah girl, basically my videos are maintenance routine. I did everything: nails, toes, hair. I dyed my hair, makeup, just everything girl, eyebrows, everything. This is a home makeover because girl, I was looking busted. So yes girl, so you guys want to see how I did this beautiful makeup look and how I got my nails, fresh tip nails, and my toes and my hair like this, just keep on watching.
Look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out with any outfit, that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, because what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. I'm good enough, 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 I'm good enough.
He say that I'm good enough. In my think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me cause he know that it's fat. Damn. And it been what it been. Holding his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
Okay guys, right here I'm going in with my Blondie bleach, and I'm going with my Blondie developer. So this is how I bleach my hair. Like I just, you know how you regularly bleach it. You just put it over my head and make sure I get the spots, all the black spots, so my hair won't come out spotchy. And this little brush, it came with the developer and the bleach. So yeah, and the whole set was like $50. So yeah, it is expensive, but y'all, this is my favorite bleach. Like, girl. And I got it from VIB. She uses it, so I decided to use it because I dyed my hair blonde a lot. And y'all, this stuff works. And it's strong too. It lifts it to 9 levels. Like, girl. And I think I did leave it on for too long. And I noticed, like, y'all, don't leave it on for too long. Like, I left it on for like an hour. And basically, and now I'm just going in. I make sure I get it good. I'm using the glove. Make sure you use gloves when you do this. I'm using the gloves, and I make sure I'm like getting all the spots so my hair don't come out spotchy. So yeah, I'm not scrubbing it. I'm just like, you know, rubbing it in. And y'all can see it's like changing now. It's changing to like a brown color. So yeah, that's what I do. And I know it looks messy because it was messy. So yeah, and yeah, I don't have a shirt on there. So yeah, and I'm in my hotel room. So yeah, and basically I'm putting the rest of the bleach on my hair. So yeah, I didn't want to waste it. Let's say I was in Dallas and I just decided to do this because I noticed the lighting was pretty good. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and do this. So this is my second time going in. As y'all notice, it was like a pale color, like a pale yellow color. So I went back in with the bleach again, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, and then, yeah, I know this is ghetto. I used the little trash can bag they had sitting around, and I just put it over my head because that's all I had. I needed something. It wasn't in trash can. It was just laying down, like, on the counter. And then right there, y'all saw I used my Olaplex. I used my Olaplex shampoo. That's why it was purple. Like, y'all, that shampoo was so good. Y'all need to get y'all some. Like, girl, my hair, like, it was already like a platinum, but it still was a little bit yellow, like a tint yellow. I used that shampoo. I let it sit for like probably like 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it out, and I know it's still purple. So if you notice your hair's still purple, make sure you go in with a conditioner, and leave the conditioner in, scrub your hair, and the purple will go away. And y'all, I did that. I did the second session. Like, y'all, my hair was burning so bad. I don't see how people get away with just slapping it on and it doesn't burn. Y'all, this shit burnt. So make sure you spread it out. Maybe wait like a few hours before you go back in for another session. Next time, that's what I'm gonna do. Usually that's what I usually do, but I thought this bleach would do different, but no, it still burns. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing like I usually do. So yeah, right here I'm just doing my nails, and basically I'm not gonna talk too much about this. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Basically, these are the nails I got from Amazon. They're in my description box, and basically, yeah, I just glued them on. I use that glue that everybody uses is on TikTok. Well, TikTok sold it out, but yeah, I used my top coat, and I used the gel coat too. So yeah, So I have PCOS, and the hair gets really hairy, especially on my chin area. Y'all see that right there? Like, girl, like, it's a lot to deal with. But I usually wax my chin hair, and I usually use my razor to get my mustache, because it hurts waxing a mustache. I mean, not the mustache of the meat, yeah. So this is my second time going in with the wax. And I'm going to show y'all what the hair looks like. I like to rub it and stuff, but y'all see that? That looks so gross. Now that strip really took it all. So I probably did this like 4 times, because y'all, I like my chin to be bald. Like, I don't want no hair on there. So yeah, you see how I'm looking, because it hurts. Like, girl. So yeah, I'm just checking to see, looking for the hairs, putting another strip down. And y'all don't come in the comments like, I'm not doing it right, and you're esthetician and all this stuff. I know I'm probably not doing it right, but this is what I've been doing for years, and it has been working. So yeah. So yeah, basically, and then I cleaned up with my alcohol. And before I started waxing, I used the alcohol, and now after, I'm using the alcohol again to get it up. So right here, like I told y'all, I'm using the razor to get my mustache, because I'm not waxing that. Then right here, I'm washing my face, and it was the Tasha Rice wash. And I'm going in with my mask I got from Walgreens. Like, y'all, I like this mask. It made my face real shiny and clear. I like it. And I left it on for 15 minutes. So yeah, and it's by Pixie. So yeah, I love Pixie products. Like, Pixie products are so good. And now right here, I'm going in with my my Proactive mask. Like, y'all, this mask worked pretty good too. I like this mask. I like to use it like maybe once a month. I just forget about it sometimes, so that's probably why I use it once a month. So yeah, just go all over my face. And y'all got this little tool from the Dollar Tree. Like, girl, you can get a lot of products from the Dollar Tree that you'll probably pay like $5 for from like Walmart or something. So y'all need to start shopping at Dollar Tree. They got the little gadgets and stuff just like the other stores do for a lot cheaper. So yeah. Edge glowing makeup serum. Foundation, and it stays on all day and night. So we're gonna put that on, and I'm gonna use my this is my It's Cosmetic brush. Dry. I like to fluff up my eyebrows. And y'all, right here, as you can see, girl, what the world. I was dyeing my hair, and some kind of way I bleached my eyebrow. So now I have half my eyebrow bleached. Girl. Really, first I'm gonna go in my It's Cosmetic Bye Bye Dark Spots Concealer and Serum. Y'all, I love this stuff. Like, y'all need to get y'all some. Like, girl, look at this. Like, it gets rid of my, well, Doug gets rid of my dark. Like, it covers up my dark marks under my eyes. I like to put this on before I put my foundation on. And I like to, you know, go away on my dark marks. Put in the dark marks. Then got a little bit on my forehead too. Really, I just like to go all over with it, but mostly under my eyes. There we go. You know, like for that to dry down. I used to use this part to blend it in, but I feel like it's dirty now, so I don't use it. I feel like it'll break me out really bad. So no. So yeah, basically just go in a beauty blender and blend it. To dry, I like to put some of my the Dr. Dennis Gross Plump Repair Lip Treatment. I just push it out like that. Y'all, when you put this on before, basically put this on before you put, you know, your makeup. You put this on before you put your glosses and lip liner on. Because, baby, when you put this on and you wipe it off, girl, it makes your lip liner glide on. Like, girl, this stuff is good. And it makes your lips plump. Like, I've worn it for a while, so I don't really notice the plump action anymore. So, yeah. It tingles a little bit, but not as much as it used to when I first tried it. So yeah. So I'm gonna go with this beauty blender. I got this from Target. But yeah, it's not wet. I don't really want to wet it up. I need a mirror. So yeah, I'm gonna blend it in my eyes. All that out. And under this side. Like that. Then blend my forehead. So right here, I'm just going at my, like I said before, you probably didn't hear in the beginning when I said it, but this is my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation. I know it looks a little orange, but that's the only color they had that matched me. It's a 12.5. I think it's a neutral. I should have got a cool, but I don't think they had a cool on there. So, yeah, I'm just blending that in with my brush. And y'all, this is what I put on my eyebrows. It's the Too Faced eyebrow, it's like fluffy eyebrow serum. I put that on there. Y'all, it looks like your eyebrows are laminated. Like, y'all need to get that stuff. It's so good. Like, y'all, it's so good. Now I'm gonna go on with my bronzer. Like, y'all, I'm gonna have all the products in the description box, because girl, it's a lot. I used everything on my face. Like, girl, I used a whole lot of products. But like, my face, it was so flawless. Like, my makeup was perfect this day. It looks so good. And y'all, excuse the mirror. I know I have like, it's like the mirror's dirty. Please excuse the mirror. It's not that bad, but it's bad. Please excuse that. Don't come for me in the comments. It was an accident. I didn't know it looked this bad till I started. But yeah, y'all, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. And you know, make sure you shop the Sephora sale. And yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, so I did my makeup and I got another little outfit. It's not really an outfit, it's like a undergarment. Anyway, I'm in the house, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna show you guys what I go in with, the lotions I use. So basically I'm just gonna use a little bit of this Fenty Butter Drop Shimmering Whip Oil Body Cream. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this because I don't really like it that much. Like the smell, it smells like cinnamon, but girl, I don't know. Put it on here. And it is oily too. So now I'm gonna go on with the Way Body Cream St. Bart's. Y'all, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. I have the what is it? I have the sugar scrub as well. Y'all, it smells so good. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. You guys need to buy it. Like, girl, it smells like you're going on vacation or something. It smells so good. It smells like the ocean or something. Like Hawaii. It reminds me of Hawaii or something. Somewhere tropical. It smells so good. Y'all need to get it. Like, girl. My Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Shimmering Body Oil. Put some on my chest. Like, y'all, do y'all see how shimmery it is? Oh, you probably can't see it. Just gonna put a little bit on because we're ready to go ahead and get in the bed. This smells good too. It's like a light scent to it. Like, it's not too bad. Like, if you're not really a perfume person, this is good for you. The last two things I like to use this Brazilian Crush. What is this? It's the Soleil de Janeiro Brazilian Crush. And this one, y'all, this smells so good. With my Valentino. What is this? What is this? My Valentino Coral Fantasy. Y'all, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is my favorite perfume. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of it because I'm not going anywhere. Oh, I smell good. Okay, so yeah, a little bit of this the Soleil de Janeiro After Hours fragrance. Just gonna spray a little bit of it. I'm just gonna walk in it. Like, y'all, I smell so good right now. Oh my gosh, I smell delicious. Like, y'all need to pick up these products. Like, girl, I'm gonna link them in the description box, but make sure you pick these up. Like, girl, you're gonna be smelling like a fresh baked cake, vanilla. Like, girl, I smell so good right now. Girl, I keep my own damn self. Girl, I smell so good. But yeah, make sure you guys shop these products. I'm gonna put everything in the description box, so make sure you shop them. But girl, yeah, tell them I sent you. Make sure you shop till you drop, girl. Make sure you get everything that you need, and make sure you get products that I mentioned in this video, girl. Cause basically this sale ends on Monday, so girl, you better get it. Cause you got the weekend. Well, today's Friday, so you got the weekend. So girl, you better go get it.